You can become a working bookkeeper in a few months, not a few years, even without a degree or accounting background. Step 1 is the skills, because this is what employers actually test for. On the soft side, attention to detail, organization, and trustworthiness. On the technical side, data entry, spreadsheets, bank reconciliation, payroll basics, and financial reporting. You don't need all of it on day one. You need enough to do the work and the willingness to learn the rest as you go. Most people pick this up in weeks, not years. Step 2 is certification. You don't legally need it, but it's how you stand out when you have no experience. You've got 3 solid options. The Certified Bookkeeper from the AIPB, which takes a 4-part exam plus experience. The Certified Public Bookkeeper from the NACPB, and a QuickBooks certification, which proves you know the software small businesses actually use. Step 3 is choosing your setup, because it shapes everything after it. You've got 3 paths: remote, where you work from home for one company; in-house, full-time on-site; or freelance, serving multiple clients through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Freelance often pays the most per hour, but it takes longer to build. Pick the one that matches the life you want, then tailor your search to it. Step 4 is proving it. Build a simple resume or portfolio that shows your certifications, your software skills, and any sample reports you can put together. Then search the job boards and freelance sites with the right keywords. Try remote bookkeeper or virtual bookkeeping, and set up job alerts so new listings come to you. No client work yet? Practice on your own finances and screenshot the reports. That counts as a portfolio. Step 5 is the part most people skip. Start small. Take part-time or project work first to gain real reviews and references. Then raise your rates once you've earned trust. And never stop learning. Take online courses, watch software tutorials, follow professional communities. The bookkeepers who keep growing are the ones who land the higher-paying clients. So that's the path. Build the skills, get certified, choose your setup, apply, and start small. The median bookkeeper earns around $49,000 a year, and the top 10% clear $72,000. So the room to grow is real. Links in the description for the Intuit bookkeeping certification through QuickBooks. And if this helped, hit subscribe.